Sometimes the thing that changes us most isn't a big realization. It's a pause. That tiny moment where something happens and instead of reacting the old way, you feel a little, Not dramatic, not spiritual, just a space. I'm Joanne Smith and welcome. We've been taught that growth looks like effort. Try harder, fix more, push through. And sometimes that is true. But a lot of the time, real change starts when we notice. You see something. You pause. You don't rush to explain it. You just let it be what it is for a moment. That's not laziness. That's awareness. Beginning to wake up and slowly, almost without you trying, your mind starts doing something new. It loosens. It softens. It stops assuming everything has to mean what it's always meant. In a world that moves fast and shouts loud, that quiet pause is powerful. Not flashy, not heroic, just kind and steady, and deeply human. So here's a small, friendly suggestion for this weekend. Do something ordinary with something alive. Water a plant. Step outside for a few minutes. Notice a leaf, a cloud, a breeze, a patch of light on the floor. Nature doesn't ask you to perform. It doesn't ask you to explain. It just lets you be part of something that's already moving at a kinder pace. And if this week you caught even one of those tiny pauses, before you snapped, before you judged yourself, before you ran the old story, that's it. That's the work. Come back next Tuesday for another view.
You don't have to stay here. Go outside for a minute. Touch something alive. The internet will still be here when you get back. The work doesn't disappear when you look away. It waits for you kindly.